Friends, see that this question from 9th standard motion chapter. This is one of the NCERT problem. It is available inside the textbook. Okay, not an exercise question. So please listen. See the question. It is some important problem. Okay, see that a stone is thrown in a vertically upward direction with a velocity of 5 meter per second. Okay, if the acceleration of the stone, its motion is 10 meter per second square, okay, in the downward direction. Okay, so what will be the height attained by the stone? What will be the height attained by the stone, and how much time will it take to reach there? Okay, very simple question. Listen, say for example, let us take one stone. Okay, this image is stone. For example, suppose I leave the stone from a particular height. So no need to throw like this. Okay, just I leave, it will come down because due to the gravity. Okay, the gravity force to attract downward direction. Okay, right. So the particles, the ball also moving towards the gravity. So this is no issues. Okay, but here the question is we can throw from down. Okay, we can throw from the bottom. Okay, so if the top position, just I leave it. But in down, if I leave it, still there only. Okay, அப்ப என்ன பண்றது? We have to throw. Okay, we have to give initial velocity. So here initial velocity must. Then only the object will move from down to top position. Okay, now I'll apply the force. Okay, now I give initial velocity. Then only it will move in upward direction. Okay, so first case. A stone is thrown in a vertically upward direction with the velocity 5 meter per second. Okay, this is stone. It will move in upward direction with the velocity 5 meter per second. This is the initial velocity of the stone. Okay. Then one more thing. Now I throw this object. Now throw this ball. It will move in upward direction. Again it return back. Why? If I give initial velocity 5 meter per second, then where it is 5 meter per second after some time, it will be vanish. After reaching a particular height, it will be stopped and return back. So initially I give 5 meter per second. After reaching particular height, it will stop and come back. So in the final region, I mean after attaining some height, the final velocity is 0. Okay, so initially 5 meter per second I give, then it will move in upward direction, then it stop and return back. So in this position, okay, in the turning back, in that position, at that critical point, that velocity is 0. Okay, so that is I treated as final velocity of the object. Okay, now in this question what asking, so what about the height attained by the ball? Then what about time taken? That's all. This is the question. Okay, shall we do it? Yes. See the solution. Initial velocity, final velocity, displacement. So we know that relation u v s, that is v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. Okay, 2as is the relation. Then one more thing, when the ball is moving upward direction, each and every second, each and every moment, okay, the gravity acting downward direction, that only mentioned here. The acceleration of the ball during its motion, the acceleration of the ball during its motion is 10 meter per second square in the downward direction. Okay, that means what? Acceleration due to gravity pulling down. Okay, so now here I can say that, so that acceleration, so this acceleration is acting downward direction. So acceleration is equal to, what is it? Minus 10 meter per second square. This is given in the question. Acting downward direction, so that I only indicated, see that. the acceleration of the stone during its motion 10 meter per second in the downward direction. So this downward direction only I mentioned with the negative sign here. Okay. Okay. Shall we replace the question? I mean, shall we replace the equation for our convenience? V. What about V? 0. U value, just simply I write U squared. Then 2. Now A value what? Actually, A value minus 1. Or otherwise directly you can apply A into S is nothing but height. Okay? Height. Now, therefore, 2A H is equal to minus U square. Because 2AH இங்கே இருக்கு, U square இந்தாண்ட போகுது, so minus U square. Okay? So therefore, H is equal to minus U square divided by 2A. Okay? So minus U value. What about U value? 5. So 5 square. 5 square divided by 2 into A value. What about A value? Minus 10. So I put minus here into 10. Okay. Minus will be cancelled. So the remaining 5 into 5 25 divided by 2 into 10. Okay. So we can say here 2 time, here 5 time. So H is equal to 5 divided by 2 into 2 4. 5 by 4 how much? 5 rupees of 4 appearing 1.25 rupees. So height attained by the ball stone, that is 1.25 meter. So now H value we found as 1.25 meter. So that means what is the meaning here? 1.25 meter here, approximately this much height will come. From this much height, okay, from this much height, from the bottom, if I throw the object in upward direction, what is that? It will cover, okay. I'm going to find the time. After that time, at particular time, it will cover 1.25 meter. So what about that particular time? That only we are going to calculate next one. Next one the time. So please listen. See that initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration is there. So easily we can find that time period. Okay. So this is taken as equation question number 1. This is taken as question number 2. Okay. So we know the formula, that is V is equal to U plus AT. That's all. So here I know as usual final velocity 0 equal to U plus AT. Therefore time value only we need. Therefore AT is equal to minus U. Therefore time is equal to minus U by A. Okay, so minus, what about U value? 5 divided by A value. What about acceleration? That is minus 10. Okay, so 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is nothing but 0.5. So 0.5 seconds, or how can I write? Half second, not 1 second, half second. So if you observe that, if you throw the ball in upward direction with 5 meter per second velocity, okay, so in half second, in the half second, the ball will reach 1.25 meter height with the downward acceleration 10 meter per second. Okay, even we didn't say that downward acceleration 10 meter per second square, no issues, because normally the acceleration due to gravity acting in the downward direction, the same value. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, so the time value 0.5 second. Okay, thank you.